Y2K is real. The fuck? Fuck! My parents are gonna kill me.
Hayden?
Was the bed? The bed did it. Raleigh, what happened?
You've got mail.
Quarry flow. Laura, let's roll.
We need to find Raleigh.
Fuck that, come on.
No.
Fine. Die with these losers.
Guess I will, asshole.
Don't admit that we're losers.
I've been looking for you.
Grab a board, grab whatever you can. Yo, I almost made X against prelims 97. About to tear these streets up.
Out of the door.
Let's do it, Big Nut.
Okay, on three. 3, 2... Fuck, Eli, your forgetful ass would be screwed without me. Get it! Eli!
Oh, shit. Go time, motherfuckers.
Oh, snap.
Fuck, dude! Is so
Laura?
complex.
Yo. Laura!
Remember our instant messages? I would boot you up just to see if she was online. You don't want to hurt her. She's the girl of my dreams. Laura! Oh, no. You don't have to be like the other machines.
He's playing with your head, homie!
What do we do?
You wanna play, bitch? No, no, no! Fuck you!
Step aside.
Those losers are my friends. Kelso was pissed you forgot him.
Oh, shit. What? I don't like this. Fuck. Let's break stuff.
It's just one of those days when you don't want to wake up. Everybody you don't really know why, but you want to justify. When someone said, oh, yes, stay away, motherfucker. It's just one of those days. Woo!
Oh, my God. My buddy.
Look out!
Open sesame. Yes!
Yeah, baby.
Jacking in. Scanning root system directory. Hello. Going indeed. Try to keep up. You know what the difference between you and me is, Eli? I make this look good. Jackpot. We're in.
What? Okay. Yes, Lord. Tight.
You did it! Great job!
Get the fuck out!
96, 97, 98, 99,
The information super highway bitch!
100%.
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.